In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contacts in Activecampaign. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Activecampaign account and that your contact list is saved as a CSV file on your computer. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet-style file, and it is the most common format for importing contacts. Before you import, it helps to quickly check that each column has a clear header, like first name, last name, email, or phone, because those headers will be used during the mapping step. Once you are ready, look at the left sidebar inside Activecampaign and click Contacts. This takes you to the main area where you can view and manage everyone in your database. Next, go to the top right of the page and click Import. This opens the import options and starts the guided process for bringing new contacts into your account. From the choices provided, click Import from File. This option is used when you have a file stored locally, such as a CSV export from another tool or a spreadsheet you prepared yourself. Now select the CSV file from your computer. When the file picker opens, locate your CSV, select it, and confirm. Activecampaign will upload the file and move you forward to the field matching screen. At this point, you will map your CSV columns to Activecampaign fields. This is an important step because it tells Activecampaign where each piece of information should go. For each column in your CSV, choose the matching field in Activecampaign, such as mapping your email column to the email field. Take your time here and double-check that names, emails, and any other details line up correctly. Accurate mapping helps prevent messy data, like first and last names being swapped, or a phone number ending up in the wrong place. When everything looks correct, click Import Now. Activecampaign will begin importing your contacts and adding the information to your database based on the mapping you confirmed. After the import finishes, you can return to the Contacts area to spot-check a few entries and confirm that the data appears as expected. And that is all there is to it.